This is Rosa from Rosa's Resources. I am here at Brothers Who Love Sisters with Natural Hair, and look who I came across. Maria from Twist and Curves. And Kinky Roots. Poughkeepsie, New York.
Yes.
What's her name again?
Ayana Card.
Ayana, why are you here? Why do you love natural hair?
I just love everything about natural hair, mind, body, and soul. It brings all of that.
Okay.
That's why I'm here. I just want to enjoy and bask in all the evolution of who we are today.
And I remember speaking to you, you said that we have to support the natural hair community. Do you go to a lot of natural hair events?
I try and get to as many as I can. There's so many that it's hard to keep up, but I come as much as I can.
Absolutely. Give a shout out to your salon in Poughkeepsie.
Kinky Roots, 616 Main Street. Please visit us. You can visit us kinkyroots.com or Facebook as well. Wonderful.
So now we're going to turn our attention to Maria from Twist and Curve. Maria, what's going on?
Everything.
And what are you doing at this wonderful event?
I am here at Brothers Who Love Sisters with Natural Hair, and I think it's beautiful because what we're going to do tonight is hear how brothers, how they feel about sisters with natural hair. And I think it's important because a lot of seminars I do, a lot of women always complain, well, you know, my husband doesn't like it, my boyfriend doesn't like it, or my friend doesn't like it. So it's really nice to see the brothers coming together to embrace the sisters who have natural hair. And there'll also be a panel where we'll have lots of questions and answers.
Oh, that is so, so wonderful. Maria's here all the way from Hartford, Connecticut.
In the house.
Al, Twist and Curve Salon, and she's speaking to Rosa from Rosa's Resources. Thank you, Maria.
You are welcome.